If you want to organize app screen or app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A27, what you can do is if you go to the app drawer, then over here you can change position of your apps over here. You can group them into specific pages because here we can swipe between all of these different pages just like you can do on the home screen. So if you want to separate your apps, then of course you can easily do so. You can put some apps on different pages, for example. You can place them in any order whatsoever. Unfortunately, we cannot really place them anywhere. They have to be one after another. So for example, I cannot place it here in the middle. It has to be the next one in the order. But as you can see, we can easily keep changing positions of apps quite easily. So you can group them in home screen, in app drawer pages, however you want them to be grouped. You can also change their order quite easily. You can, for example, put some folders in separated pages or something like that. It's up to you how you want to actually organize your app drawer. Now, besides that, speaking of folders, you can of course place apps of your choice into folders. Now, if you want to create a folder, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an app just like that and then drop it on top of another app, let's say like this. And as you can see, the folder has been created. You can also remove the folder if you want to. So if you press and hold your finger on the folder, then you have the delete option and all apps are going to be added back into the app drawer. You can also press and hold your finger on the first app that should be in the folder and choose select. Then you can select multiple apps. If you choose at least 2, then you have the create folder option available. So you can tap over here and every app is now added into the folder, as you can see over here. And just like before, we can just move the folder around. We can just place it almost anywhere we want to. Besides that, we have a little bit of customization. We can change the name of the folder if you want to. You can also use this plus button if you want to include even more apps into that folder. Unfortunately, we cannot change the color of the folder and we cannot change its size, but we can add it to the home screen. So if you need to do that, then here we go. But besides that, we have a couple of additional options available here in these 3 dots. So if you go here, we have the sort option and we can switch from the custom order, which allows you to have pages, into alphabetical order. And now you can swipe up and down on this list. The list is now alphabetical, so you cannot really change position of apps that easily because the list has to be alphabetical. But still, if you prefer to have just one page and scroll up and down, then you can easily do so. You can of course revert back to the custom order if you want to, and no changes are done in the meantime, so whatever you had set up previously before that change, you will have it back again. Also, we have the clean up pages option, which allows you to fill in empty spaces. So as you can see over here, I have an empty space, and if I choose clean up pages, then over here, the next app from the other page is going to be moved into that empty space, so you don't have actually empty spaces, my bad, in these pages. So if you don't really like them, if you don't like empty spaces, you can easily fill them in. And of course, before that happens, before it is saved, you have the option to decide whether you actually want to apply that change or if you want to cancel and not really do that. And of course, we also have settings in here, which are generally speaking just home screen settings, but there is not much that you can do over here besides the grid. So if you want to, you can, for example, have 5 apps in a grid instead of just 4 in a row, I mean. And also we can change the folder grid, so you can have, for example, 4 by 4 grids instead of 3 by 4. But other than that, that's all we can do in order to organize the app drawer on our Samsung Galaxy A27. Leave a like and subscribe.